In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post an ad on Gumtree. If you want to list an item or service quickly and make sure people can find it easily, Gumtree keeps the process fairly simple. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic posting flow so you know exactly what to do from start to finish. First, open your browser and go to the Gumtree website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site and that everything has loaded properly. This is where you'll begin creating your listing. From the homepage, look for the option that says Post an Ad and click on it. This will take you to the section where Gumtree starts collecting the information needed for your listing. If you don't see it right away, check the top area of the page, since that's usually where this option appears. Next, you'll be asked to choose a category. This step is important because the category helps place your ad in the right section of the marketplace, making it easier for interested buyers to find it. Type the category you prefer into the category field, or select the one that best matches what you're advertising. Try to choose the most accurate option possible, since that can improve visibility and reduce confusion later. After that, click a select on the category you've chosen. This confirms where your ad will be listed and moves you on to the next part of the posting process. Take a quick look before continuing, just to make sure you pick the right category, because changing it later can sometimes be inconvenient. You'll then need to enter your postcode. This helps Gumtree show your ad to people searching in your local area. Make sure the postcode is entered correctly, since location can affect who sees your listing and how relevant it appears in search results. Once that's done, fill in the rest of the ad details. This is where you provide the key information for your listing. Be clear and accurate when completing each field so potential buyers understand exactly what you're offering. A well-filled listing usually performs better because it gives people more confidence and reduces unnecessary back and forth. As you complete the details, it's a good idea to review everything for mistakes, spelling issues, or missing information before moving on. Clear information makes your ad look more trustworthy and professional, and that's the basic process for posting an ad on Gumtree. Follow these steps carefully, choose the right category, enter the correct location, and complete your listing details clearly so your ad has the best chance of reaching the right audience.